Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn about the cross join function. So for example, I need to write one query here. Select steric from dim category, product category, and let me execute it. We are getting 4 rows. These are the columns. And if I write another query, select steric from dim subcategory, and if I run this query, we are getting 37 rows. And if I write one query if I use the cross join, I will get 37 multiplied by 4, 148 rows. So it will return me the Cartesian product. So let's do it in SQL first. Select steric from dim product category, cross join dim product subcategory, and let me execute it. And here you can see we are getting all the rows from the dim category and dim product subcategory. We are getting the total number of rows are 148. So we need to achieve the same result in DAX. It's very simple. We just need to go to the DAX Studio, and here we need to write evaluate. The function name is cross join, and it needs tables. So the first table will be dim product category, comma, the second is dim product subcategory. That's all. And then we just need to click run, and here you can see we are getting 148 rows and all the underlying columns. So that's all about cross join in SQL and in DAX.